Forests are the Earth's lungs. They breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This process helps to clean our air and regulate the climate. Forests are also home to a vast array of plants and animals. They provide us with food, medicine, and clean water. Deforestation is a major threat to our planet. Every year, millions of acres of forests are destroyed. Trees are cut down for agriculture, logging, and development. This destruction has devastating consequences for the environment and for people. It leads to climate change, habitat loss, and soil erosion. Reforestation offers hope. By planting trees and restoring degraded forests, we can help to mitigate the effects of climate change. Reforestation also helps to protect biodiversity and provide livelihoods for local communities. Around the world, people are working hard to reforest our planet. They are using a variety of methods, both traditional and modern. These efforts are essential for ensuring the health of our planet for generations to come. For centuries, communities have been restoring forests using traditional knowledge. These time-tested techniques work in harmony with nature to regenerate degraded lands. Two prominent examples are assisted natural regeneration, ANR, and farmer-managed natural regeneration, FMNR. ANR focuses on assisting the natural regeneration processes of forests. Instead of solely planting trees, communities clear obstacles that hinder natural growth. They remove invasive species, reduce grazing pressure, and control fires. This allows native trees to regenerate from existing stumps, roots, or seeds. FMNR empowers farmers to integrate trees into their agricultural practices. Farmers protect and manage naturally regenerating trees on their land. They select valuable species that provide food, fodder, or timber while also improving soil fertility. FMNR promotes agroforestry, creating a symbiotic relationship between agriculture and forest ecosystems. These traditional techniques emphasize community involvement and local knowledge. They are cost-effective and sustainable, promoting long-term ecological restoration and community well-being. Technological advancements have revolutionized reforestation efforts. Scientists are developing tools to plant trees more efficiently. These technologies accelerate reforestation, restoring our planet's forests. Drone reforestation is transforming tree planting. Drones can disperse seeds with incredible precision. This method is useful in remote areas. Drones cover large areas faster than humans. Satellite monitoring provides valuable data for reforestation. Satellites track deforestation and monitor restoration progress. This helps optimize efforts and allocate resources. Analyzing satellite imagery aids in reforestation strategies. Scientists develop climate-resilient tree species. These trees tolerate drought, heat, pests, and diseases. Planting climate-resilient species ensures thriving reforested areas. Section 4. Case Studies, Success Stories of Reforestation. Around the world, inspiring reforestation initiatives are demonstrating the power of collective action. These success stories highlight the positive impact of reforestation on both the environment and local communities. The Great Green Wall of Africa is an ambitious project aimed at combating desertification and restoring degraded land across the width of Africa. Communities are planting a mosaic of trees, shrubs, and grasses along an 8,000-kilometer corridor. This green wall is not only restoring ecosystems but also providing livelihoods and enhancing food security for millions of people. In the Andes Mountains of South America, communities are working to restore vital cloud forests. These forests are essential for water regulation, biodiversity conservation, and cultural heritage. By planting native trees and implementing sustainable land management practices, communities are restoring the ecological integrity of these vital ecosystems. These case studies demonstrate that reforestation is possible even in challenging environments. By combining traditional knowledge with modern technology and community-led approaches, we can restore degraded lands and create a more sustainable future. Section 5. A Call to Action. Our forests, our future. The future of our forests depends on each and every one of us. We all have a role to play in protecting and restoring these vital ecosystems. By taking action, we can create a greener, healthier planet for ourselves and for generations to come. Support sustainable practices in your daily life. Choose products from companies that prioritize sustainable forestry. Reduce your paper consumption and recycle responsibly. By making conscious choices, we can reduce our impact on forests. Get involved in reforestation efforts. Volunteer with a local tree planting organization or donate to support reforestation projects around the world. Every tree planted makes a difference. By contributing our time, resources, and energy, we can be part of the solution. Spread awareness about the importance of forests and the need for reforestation. Talk to your friends, family, and community about this vital issue. Share information online and on social media. By raising our voices, we can inspire others to take action. The time to act is now. Let us all do our part to restore our planet's forests and create a more sustainable future for all.